Drrone Roblox pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a fan of entity video game Roblox, and you see a website called Drrone promising free Robux, you're about to learn why most people get this wrong and what's really at stake. Drrone claims to generate free Robux for users if they submit their username and complete a few tasks, but the surprising truth is, it's a scam. According to security reports, the site never delivers Robux, instead it harvests personal data and may install malware. Circ. What you get: the promise of free in-game currency with no upfront cost. What you give up or risk: your Roblox account security, your personal data, time wasted, and even a compromised device. Here's how to evaluate such offers. Step 1. Ask whether the website is officially affiliated with Roblox. Step 2. Check if you're required to download apps, provide account credentials, or complete the surveys. That's a red flag. Step 3. Think about cost beyond money. If you give up credentials, you lose much more than a few minutes. Step 4. Choose safe, official methods for in-game purchases or currency, never shortcuts that seem too good to be true. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore these warnings. You hand over your login, complete task after task, and end up with nothing or an account that's compromised. The surprising truth is, free doesn't always mean free. It can mean you pay with your data or security. In conclusion, when it comes to Robux and trusted gaming accounts, your value isn't in chasing free currency at any cost. It's in protecting your account, playing safely, and using official channels. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more gaming safety breakdowns and what you're really paying for.